Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling restricted mode because it blocks mature videos using community signals and metadata. Sign into YouTube with the Google account you want to protect. Once signed in, scroll to the page bottom or open settings and look for restricted mode, toggle it on. This is your first line of defense. It doesn't catch everything, but it reduces exposure quickly. Make sure to lock the setting on shared devices so someone else can't turn it off. That step makes the change persistent and practical. Next, set up family controls to manage what you can't rely on restricted mode alone to handle. Use Google Family Link to create a supervised account for a child or convert an existing account into a supervised experience. Once done, configure YouTube Kids or supervised YouTube settings to limit content categories and disable search if needed. Make sure to adjust watch history and search privacy, because those influence recommendations. This step gives you granular control over age-appropriate. Finally, lock settings and verify on each device to complete the setup. Lock restricted mode in the browser profile and confirm the supervised account settings on mobile apps. Sign out and back in to test. If something goes wrong, like filters not applying, clear the browser cache, check for multiple signed-in accounts, or re-sign into Google to reset session rules. Make sure to report videos that bypass filters so YouTube can improve detection. That helps the system learn and protect you and others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.